Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jason Ruiz Bigoso, and I am 26 years old. I live at 73 East Service Road, Western Kuta, Taguig City. I am a second year undergraduate of college in Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I am a single mother of two sons, a 3-year-old and a 4-year-old. I have 10 siblings, 4 boys and 6 girls, including me.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
I worked for 2 years last June 2018 to June 2020.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience in other countries.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, I fix myself, and second, I cook for the children. I bath them, and sometimes I clean the house, wash the dishes, and ironing their clothes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I just want to work Hong Kong because I want to help my family and also to raise my 2 sons to give them better future.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I will do my best to control my homesick by making myself busy to do household chores.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
In my experience, as a mother of 2 sons, I feed them, I take them to bath, I change diaper, clothes, and also play with them.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check her temperature, then I will call my employer to tell that the baby has sick.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Based on my experience, I have my grandmother, and she's already 89 years old, and sometimes I give her medicine and also talking to her and telling a story, and always I'm taking this to bath and wipe her with a wet towel, and also bring her outside.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, ma'am. I will promise that I will not break my 2 years contract, and I will show my respect and by showing positive to my employer.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am. Incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the incy wincy spider went up the spout again.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
Simple dishes like Filipino food, steamed and fried, and also bihon, canton, noodles for my employer. But I'm willing to learn any kind of dishes for my employer.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
Before I sleep, I'm going to check all the windows, doors, if they lock already, and the light is off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I am Jason Goso, and I hope you choose me as your helper because I am a hardworking, responsible, polite, and trustworthy person. I will promise that I will not break my two-weeks contract. Thank you and God bless you.